Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung account is signed in and your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. This prevents sync errors. Once done, back up any files you want to keep to the phone or an external drive because deletion is permanent for some items. Then open Settings, go to Accounts and Backup, and select Samsung Cloud to begin. I tell you this so you don't lose important photos or documents during the removal process. You now choose what to remove inside Samsung Cloud: device backups, gallery, contacts, or drive files. Tap Manage Data, pick the specific items or entire categories, and tap Delete. Follow the confirmation prompts to avoid partial cleanup. Make sure to remove device backups and turn off auto sync so the phone won't recreate cloud copies. I explain this because deleting categories and disabling sync are two separate steps that together ensure the cloud. To finish, unlink or sign out of your Samsung account. If you want to fully sever cloud ties, go to Settings Accounts, select your Samsung account, and remove account. Once removed, verify Samsung Cloud shows zero use storage and no remaining backups. If something blocks deletion, reboot the device, clear the system cache, and try again. If that fails, retry the deletion from a desktop at account. Samsung.com. This tip solves sync glitches and stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.